So, andito tayo ngayon sa labas kasama si Matt para i-check natin kung gaano ba talaga katibay ang windshield. 3, 2, 1, go! Ay po! Hi guys, it's Yayo. Today, let's talk about automotive glass. There are two main types, laminated and the tempered glass. Laminated glass ay siya yung nakalagay sa windshield, but the rest of the glass panels are tempered. Today, let's focus on the laminated glass. Ang design ng laminated glass ay two glass panels na may vinyl film sandwich in between. Kung bakit ganun, it has several advantages. Number one, pag nag-crack siya, hindi siya magbubutil-butil. Ibig sabihin, the vision of the driver is not obscured. Pwede mo pang itabi to safety yung kotse mo. The next feature, and perhaps the most important feature of a laminated glass, is when a flying object hits the glass, hindi siya basta-basta magpi-pierce through. And ganun din naman sa other side. The risk of the passenger being thrown outside the glass is reduced. This sounds good in theory, but let's put it to the test. Punta tayo sa labas, tignan natin kung gaano ba talaga katibay yung windshield glass. So, andito tayo ngayon sa labas kasama si Matt para i-check natin kung gaano ba talaga katibay ang windshield. Meron kami ditong gamit na windshield at nakapatong siya sa butas na mesa para makita natin kung gaano ba siya katibay. Ang gagawin natin, babagsakan ni Matt ng malaking bato at malaman natin kung lulusot siya or hindi. 3, 2, 1, go! Ay! Katibay talaga! Tignan mo naman yan. Ang bigat na bato at may puwersa pa nung binagsak pero na-hold niya pa rin yung ganun katibay yung mga windshield. So hope you learned something today. Please like, share, and follow. Thank you!